Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the new collection called Fleurwee by MelodySusie. This is a plant-based gel polish and it is the first of its kind. They worked 2 years on the formulation and it is very unique to me, at least, because they are scented, like flower scented. I think only the ones that have like flower scented names are scented, and I feel like that's so cool. There's only one other brand that I have that is scented, and I love when the gel polishes have a scent because it just makes it more fun to use. So here I am opening up the collection. First things first, I absolutely love this packaging. This is giving me like I don't know, like a luxury type of vibe. I don't know if you guys know about that tequila trend that's going around, like the blue and white nail design, and it's super cute. This is giving me that type of vibe, almost like kind of tropical. But I absolutely love the way these bottles look, and I think having a full collection of this would look so pretty on your shelf, or, you know, I even want a whole collection for myself on my nail polish shelf. It would be so cute. And these are the colors that I got. So I got 4 colors and the cute little vase thing that you put the little dried flowers in. And here I am looking at what's underneath. So underneath they did send 2 little sticker sheets, and then they did send the little dried flowers, and I think they are real dried flowers as well. And then they also sent a really nice set of brushes. It comes with everything you will need. It comes with some cleanup brushes, some liner brushes, and dotting tools. The dotting tools aren't essential, especially if you're a beginner looking for some good gel polishes. You need a dotting tool, and you need a that's like one of the staples that everyone should have. But these gel polishes are plant-based. They are HEMA-free. They are without 21 toxic substances, and they have a less chemical odor, which I did notice right away, especially with the ones that are scented. I smelled one of them, and it smelled like roses, which was really nice. And they are self-leveling as well. So I just really think that MelodySusie is underrated. I absolutely love their white gel polish. I know you guys know I talk about it all the time. I also use their nail drill whenever I'm doing someone's nails, and I also use their dust collector also, and I just love their products. Overall, they're a very good brand. I've never had any issues with their products, and this is actually my very first time trying their gel polish colors. I know this is their new collection, the Fleurwee line, but their other gels I've never tried. Only the white gel is the only one I've ever tried, and I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to get more gel polishes in the future and try to see if there's any other like maybe collections or things that they have that I don't know about. And I'm excited to just grow my collection overall on MelodySusie's gel polishes because I have none. So yeah, here I am just unboxing the little brushes, and I didn't know what kind of brushes it came with, but it comes with a short liner brush, a long liner brush, and then cleanup brushes, which are always needed. I use cleanup brushes for every single set, and I definitely have to have those in my collection. So I'm so glad I got some of those. I needed some. And then this big round brush I actually love because you can use that as an ombre brush. So that's another really good idea for that brush in case you have that one. And yeah, so we're going to kind of get into the design, and I'm going to start swatching the colors first. So here I am, just grabbed my swatch sticks, and I'm going to swatch this really pretty pink magenta color first. And I'm going ahead and just doing one nice even coat, and as you can see, it is so pigmented. They are so nice, so one coat coverage, which I love. I cannot stand a watery gel, and I love that these solid colors are very pigmented. So that's already a yes in my book. And then here I am with this really pretty baby blue, kind of like a sky blue. I was thinking of doing like a sky nail design, but I really wanted to utilize the colors in the collection, so I didn't go in with my favorite white MelodySusie polish, but I was about to. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and doing that. And then here is the next color in the collection, which is this really beautiful pale yellow. When I first saw the swatch, like on top of the bottle, like the little sticker, I was like, oh my gosh, I really have been needing a pale yellow like this, and it actually is so pigmented and nice. But the only thing that I did notice is that this one is more of like a shimmer color, so this would be really pretty paired with other colors instead of using it on its own. And then here is the next most beautiful color ever. I have been loving this color lately. It is like a really bright orangey coral color. This color just gives me tropical vibes, reminds me of summer and the beach and everything like that. So here I am. I'm starting off with a coat of this yellow on all of the nails. I'm going to do some medium length almonds, and unfortunately I've never tried MelodySusie's full cover nail tips, but I do know that they might have some. Maybe in the future I will be able to try them, but for now I have none, so I'm just using whichever brand I had on hand. And then here I am just applying the color, and because this color is more of a like pearlescent, I guess you could say, color, you could definitely go in with 2 coats of this, but because I knew I was going to be doing lots of designs on top, I didn't worry about that too much. And here I am going in with the really bright coral orange, and I'm going to be using the long liner brush to start. And I'm going to be doing this really cute design where the almond nail has almost like a little border, so it's just kind of this swirly pattern. And the best way to get swirls and any type of lines super crisp and looking as perfect as possible is to use a longer liner brush. This is going to help you when you're doing any type of like V French or anything like that. If you're doing like a V French, you want to make sure that you're using a long brush just like this one. And for designs like this, like these specific types of swirls, because the lines could be thicker, I could also use the shorter brush. So you'll see later I do go in with the shorter brush on the other nails just because I wanted to try it out. But the long liner brush is usually the way to go if you want to have really nice thin lines without any bumpiness or anything like that. Because with the long liner brush you have a little more give, like you have a little more freedom. If your hands are super shaky like mine, a long liner brush will be more forgiving than a short one. So here I am just filling it in, and like I said, my hands are pretty shaky, so you guys might be able to notice that. And then after that, I'm going to be doing a really cute little flower in the center of the nail. I really wanted to do kind of like a groovy, bright, summer type of nail design that I've never really done on my channel before. So yeah, that's what I decided to do for this set. Here on my middle finger, I decided to go in with the same design on the thumb that's on the thumb, except I wanted to switch the colors and make it more fun. So I went ahead and did the pink swirls with the orange flower in the center.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So here you could see here, I went ahead in with the little liner brush. This one is the shorter one. I would say this is about a 5 or 6 millimeter liner brush. And this is absolutely perfect for if you're trying to do little hearts or little flowers, any type of little design that you're going to need a little bit more precision. Is definitely going to be, I'm trying to say is the little brush is going to be your best option for any type of little design like that. Because with the long liner brush, you definitely do not have as much control as you do with this tiny one. So any type of little things are perfect for with this brush. And here is the finished result. This is what the nails ended up looking like at the end. I absolutely love them. They are giving summer and they're giving fun. And if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!